Hello friends, in the last video we studied the theory of trigonometry and the trigonometric ratios. In case you have not referred to that video, please go back. The link to the playlist is there in the description box of this video, and that will help you strengthening your concepts better, because we are going to practice a few questions here to understand those concepts better. So the question says, if sine of A is equal to 3 upon 5, then find all other trigonometric ratios. If sine of A is equal to 3 upon 5, find all other trigonometric ratios. So, if sine of A is equal to 3 upon 5, I know that sine of A is equal to perpendicular upon base, right? Perpendicular upon base, and it is equal to 3 by 5. But you should always remember that we are talking about ratios. This does not mean that perpendicular is 3 and base is equal to 5. It does not mean that. What it means is perpendicular upon base is equal to 3 upon 5. So I can take perpendicular as 3k and base as 5k. Okay, so that when you divide perpendicular upon base, it becomes 3k upon 5k, that is equal to 3 upon 5, right? It does not mean that perpendicular is equal to 3 and base is equal to 5. You have to remember this really well. Okay, it just means that the ratio is 3 upon 5. It does not mean that it is equal to 3 upon 3 and 5. Okay, now you have to remember that if sine of A is equal to 3 upon 5, this means that I can take perpendicular as 3 of k and my hypotenuse as 5 of k. Okay, this was a chapter fraction that I was using. I'm sorry, this will be hypotenuse h everywhere. It will not be base. My apologies. This is h. Please do not get confused. This is h. My bad, and thank you for pointing this out. So h is 5k, then I have to find the base. Now I know that p of square plus b of square is equal to h of square. This implies that p of square is equal to 9k square, and h or b of square is what I have to find, and h of square is equal to 25k square. What I get here is that b is equal to 25k square minus 9k square, that is equal to 16k square. Now b square is equal to this 16k square, and this means that b is equal to 4 of k. Now you have to look at this very carefully. What this means is, if b is equal to 4k, now I have all my three values, that is perpendicular is equal to 3k, base is equal to 4k, and hypotenuse is equal to 5k. A lot of people actually write this as perpendicular is 3, base is 4, and hypotenuse is 5, which is what might be the case if k is equal to 1, but in all other cases it will not be. And even by making this mistake, you might get the right answer, because we are dealing with ratios over here. Hence, I want you to remember this very well, that trigonometry is about ratios and not about absolute values, unless it is given that perpendicular is 3. Here it is not given perpendicular is 3. Here it is given sine of A is equal to 3 by 5. Now, if I have to find all the other values, I'm just going to plug in the ratios. So, sine of A is equal to 3 by 5. This is given. If this is given, then I know that cosec of A is the reciprocal of sine of A. So it will become 5 by 3. Cos of A is equal to 4k by 5k. So it will be k minus k, because it is base upon hypotenuse. And if I know that cos of A is this, then I know that sec of A is equal to hypotenuse upon base, which is just the reverse of this, so it will be 5 upon 4. Then I have to find tan of A, which is equal to perpendicular upon base, which is equal to 3k by 4k. K gets cancelled, this becomes 3 by 4, and the reverse of tan A is cot of A, which will be 4 upon 3. And this is how you derive all the 6 values. Even if you would have made this mistake, you would have still received the same answer, but a mistake is a mistake. I do not want you guys to do that, okay? So hope you find this video useful. Do like, share, comment and subscribe with your friends. I urge you to subscribe so that you receive proactive notifications of all my videos, which by the way I upload at 8 p.m. every night. Till then, keep working hard, keep practicing hard, refer the entire playlist. Cheers and God bless.